अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आई एम सानगी एंड आई रिसेंटली read this book, The Diary of CEO. और इसको मैंने पढ़ा ही सोच के था कि it's just another morning routines or rituals type of book, but quite surprisingly and quite interestingly, it is exactly what it says it is, the 33 laws of business and life. So ये किताब आपको पैसिव इनकम के बारे में नहीं सिखाएगी, ये किताब आपको 5 AM रूटीन के बारे में नहीं बताएगी, ये किताब आपको बहुत हार्ड ग्राइंड के बारे में नहीं दर्श देगी. This book is like a wake up call and sort of reminders for the founders and business owners out there. It's more like philosophy of modern entrepreneurship. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing I loved about this book is its focus on your past self and on your story. And as a person who does this for a living, I help personal brands grow and evolve. It's very significant. Stephen Bartlett कहता है कि आपकी अपनी story is your biggest and unfair advantage over your competition. आपको अपनी सारी business trajectory को, आपको अपनी सारी marketing funnels को अपनी personal story के इर्द गिर्द revolve करना चाहिए. As per him, you are not who they think you are. You are who you think they think you are. It sounds like a riddle, एक पहेली है, but it's deep psychology, just like Cooley's looking glass self theory. और अगर आप इसको पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग में अप्लाई करते हैं तो this is deadly. Because of content और influencers के दौर में, what many people are chasing is approval and appraisal, and that is a very evil currency because the moment you get criticism, you are lost. And ये किताब help करती है आपको वापस ट्रैक में आने के because you are here to build companies, not appraisal machines. Secondly, I like ये book आपके goals को उनकी अपनी औकात में उनको अपनी जगह पे रखती है. It says that goals are overrated and Stephen के अपने अल्फाज में goals are directionless guesses. Think about this. Warren Buffett 100 goals की लिस्ट नहीं रखता. उसके moves बहुत कम होते हैं but बहुत high magnitude के होते हैं. You are here to serve a purpose and this purpose is not a to-do list. So this book is a reminder कि आपने अपने goals को अपनी to-do list को सिर्फ tick mark को पूरा नहीं करना. If you are into business, you are here to build a system. And as James Clear in Atomic Habits says, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Another very interesting thing about this book is its focus on trauma. आपका childhood trauma, आपका किसी भी किस्म का heartbreak, आपका दुख, how it drives your ambition and purpose in whatever industry you are serving in. And think about this, Steve Jobs, even rockstar वाला Jordan, and this guy, Stephen Bartlett himself. All of these people are driven by the past traumas. But Stephen ने उस pain को romanticize नहीं किया, as per in the case of rockstar. Stephen ने उस pain को diagnose किया and how it can be used for betterment. Another thing that this book dissects into our relationships. And आज के hustle culture में, when majority of people think that love is a luxury they can only afford after they are successful, ये book हमें reminder देती है that relationships are as much important for a success as your goals. No. Systems are. Again, जैसे पहले कहा कि your business is not set of goals. It is a relationship for you. और हमारे पूरे सिगरेट के कल्चर में this is very common when you hear phrases like I will only get married after I'm settled. और Tolstoy ने हमें इसके against warn किया था. He said you can climb the ladder of success only to find out it's leaning against the wrong wall. And in personal branding या business में empathy liability नहीं है. It's not soft. It's your strategy. It's your asset, and it's very beneficial in leadership and marketing. And last part, which I absolutely loved, success is subtraction. Think about this. As you continue to succeed and as you evolve in your career trajectory, आपकी to-do list को कम होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा नहीं. Bruce Lee ने कहा था, it's not the daily increase but daily decrease. Hack away at the unessential. So in a world that glorifies more, do more, जहाँ पे लोग सोशल मीडिया पे अपने calendars, fully booked calendars, अपनी लंबी टू डू लिस्ट को शेयर कर देते हैं. दिस बुक इज अ solid reminder that you do not need such type of things to be successful. Again, goals are vanity, systems are sanity. All in all, I have love for this book and I think every business owner should read it. But एक point जहाँ पे मैं इस book से disagree करता हूँ, or maybe with the philosophy of it, is it's too much focus on introspection. मुझे ज़ाती तौर पे भी यही लगता है कि internal locus of control होना चाहिए, internal validation होना चाहिए, but view everything from internal locus of control. जब आप हर चीज़ को introspection के through ठीक करने की कोशिश करते हैं, so you can end up in pretty stressed situations because sometimes clarity comes after emotion, not before it. So will this book help you build a successful company? No, but this book will help you become a person who can lead a successful company. If this was helpful, great. If you have any question, do ask in the comment section. Until next time, read more, think more. Allah Hafiz.